good merengue and do the cha-cha. I think it's about 8:30. Oh, it's about 8:50 now. Papa drank a lot of bourbon last night. Planning on hanging out with the trees. I got a new one to plant. This is a new mango tree. I planted 4 sugar apple seeds and anona. That's how you say it in Spanish. Papayas are all coming up. We got 2x2. Hopefully at least half of them are female. And I got a new pepper tree. My compost has been going strong for, let's say, almost 2 months now. And we pretty much cook dinner here every night. So I always have food scraps, more or less a little paper plate's worth of food scraps. And at first it smelled really awful, but now it just kind of smells like dirt. The flies have broken down most of whatever smelled awful. But an interesting thing is I turned it the other day, just with like a shovel, this shovel actually, and I found like 50 different worms. Here, I'll show you. And look how big this one is. A lot of ants. Anyway, this is how I like to spend most of my mornings. Digging around compost in 90-degree Florida. Oh, there's a big one. And I think these ones are either dead or in a cocoon stage, where they're going to turn into a beautiful, disgusting butterfly or a moth maybe. There should be one more ear of corn in here. There it is. Ugh. This one's actually growing. Ooh, this corn is gnarly. I don't even remember putting corn in here. It's kind of cool that you can just take a scoopful and find like a whole little ecosystem. Like a really gross ecosystem. It's not like a, coral reef by any means, but still kind of cool. All right, next step is to get these worms cleaned up and get them plated. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Here's our take for the day. A couple of lively ones. This one's a lively one. So then I spent about an hour trying to feed them to the birds, but pretty much all of them except for one jumped off and just ended it. And I don't know, maybe the birds were digging around afterwards in the grass and ate them, but pretty much a failed day. Canepas are almost like a mix of a tropical smoothie and a lime, all mixed in to a little ball. And the texture's the hard one. I don't know exactly how you accurately describe the texture. Just like a massive ball of mucus. It's not a positive texture. It's pretty gross.